welcome on my channel. In this video we are going to do $10 mod for Toyota Tacoma. I have a tailgate insert ladders. I bought it from Amazon for almost $12-13. We're gonna try it. Let's see how it look before and after. These ladders comes in a plastic package. Last time when I bought it for my other truck, they came in a box. Those were already tested and they were live longer than 2-3 years. Then I lost my truck. But this one also same brand, same company, but they put in a plastic package. Might they try to save some money from the packaging, but before you install, make sure you have a cleaned, washed and dried out area where you're going to stick the ladder, and just make sure all the ladders are straight. Once you stick on one, then they will not come off easy. Now we are done. We done. We have installed already tailgate insert ladders. That's it. Look, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next video with the new topic.